Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on measuring your stress on Oppo smartwatches. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Swipe from left to right on your watch's home screen to get to this menu. Scroll down to and tap on stress. Ensure that your watch is a finger width from your wristbone and snugly positioned on your wrist. Tap Measure Now. Try to keep your wrist as still as possible for the duration of the measurement. Your results will show once the measurement is complete. You can tap Measure again if you would like to take another measurement, or tap About Stress to see more information about the stress measurements. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Oppo Watch tips and tricks.